Hey guys, so this test center is now closed. Why has it closed down? Let's go through what's going on. So this is Ashford Driving Test Center, and unfortunately the test center has closed due to the lease running out. So you could say a lot of bad planning by DVLA. Personally, that's what I would say. It's actually closing tomorrow half day. I just spoke to the examiner, the main manager. I'm just gonna go in. We're literally the last test of the day. And as I said, tomorrow is closing down about half day. So my student is literally the last student for today. So this is a test center, but as I said, it's closing down due to the fact that the lease is running out. And as you know, the waiting list is about 6 months. So, is it really necessary to close the test center down? Could you not have planned it beforehand? Comment below what you guys think. Personally, I think the DVLA could have planned it a bit better. So that's where the test centers are. Literally, there was only 2 examiners today. Normally there's about, in this test center, about 6. But recently, last month or so, there's only been about 3, as they've been moved to different test centers, the examiners. So this is a waiting room which we've already showed you in our videos in FM Driving School channel. But the point I was trying to make is there's only 3 tests going on per day in this test center because the other half examiners have been moved to other test center areas. So those students who had the test in Ashford have been moved to, say, Chertsey or Isleworth. That's where the examiners are now based. So this area itself is going to be closing down. No test centers here. I think DVLA probably could have planned it better, maybe found another location and just leased another building out. It's not that difficult, especially with a waiting list of 6 months. What do you guys think? Comment below. Check out my channel fmdriveschool.co.uk for more updates. But as I said, this test center is now closing down. I want to see if I can maybe have a word with the examiners. They obviously don't like to be on YouTube or be recorded. But it's quite a nice test center, as you can see. A nice big waiting room, bathroom facilities if you need to go. Examiners here if you want to chat to them. If you got a question. I want to see if I can ask them a few questions before they go. Maybe even get a few souvenirs. What do you guys think? What I can get from them? Maybe a yellow vest or orange vest as a manager. Anyway, thanks for watching. That's your update. Go to our site fmdrivingschool.co.uk and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This test center is literally now closed down. I want to say to all the students who passed here, well done over the years, and all those who failed, sorry to hear about that. Better luck next time, and hopefully you guys out there now driving on the road. So whoever passed here, I'm hoping that it was beneficial for you guys and you're using the license. But as I said, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching FM Driving School.